Hey guys, my name is Steph Moraca. I am a fine artist and live event painter in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In this video, I'm going to show you the different package options available for live event painting, and I'm going to describe the process for you and hopefully answer some questions that you may have. All right, so I have three basic packages plus a custom package option for you. The base tier package now is called the Sapphire package, and that includes live event painting on 18 by 24 inch canvas. That would be 1, 2, 3, those guys right there. These are in different stages of completion, which I'm going to get to later. So the middle tier package is 24 by 30 inches, and I don't have an example of that at the moment, but that is our middle tier package. And then our largest package is the 24 by 36 inch canvas. That is this guy right here behind me, is the diamond package. That's 24 by 36 inch. So that's the main difference between my three package options. We have 18 by 24, 24 by 30, or 24 by 36 inches. And all of these canvases are 1.5 inches deep with a gallery wrap. So the canvas goes on the front and sides of the stretched wood. And the side borders of the canvas are also painted. So your finished painting is not going to be framed. You are welcome to display it unframed with the side borders painted. I do install a wire mount on the back of each canvas so it's ready to hang when you receive it. I also put a protective gloss varnish seal on all of my finished paintings. So the varnish seal is a clear layer that just helps to preserve your painting. In addition to those three package options, sapphire, ruby, and diamond, there is a custom option. So if you would like to make any adjustments from one of those base packages, say you would like to add the parents of the wedding couple to your painting, I would make sure that I arrive to your venue and get reference photos of each of the parents to add them into the painting. That would be an additional charge for that. Another option would be to get a completely different canvas size. For example, this painting right here is a custom package option where they wanted something even larger than my diamond package. So they wanted a 30 by 40 inch painting. So that's what I had put together for them. So you're welcome to change the canvas size, add additional guests, or if you would like to order prints of your painting to gift out to family members, or to add prints onto note cards for thank you cards for your guests, that is also an option for you, and that would be part of the custom package. So that's something that you and I would talk about together, and I would put together a quote specific to your needs for a custom package option. Now that I've talked about the different package options, I want to talk more about the process. So right now you're watching an informational video about live event painting. So the next step here, if you haven't done so already, would be to visit my website, stephmoracafineart.com/events. And that takes you to the live event painting section of my website, where at the bottom of that page, you scroll down and there's a form you can complete. That form needs information about the date of your event, what type of event you're having. Is it a wedding? Is it a fundraiser, a corporate event? Also the location for the venue address, and a couple other minor details on that form. So you would submit this form, that generates an email for me. I can then check availability of your date. Let's say your date is available, then I'll reply back to your email saying, yay, your date's available. I'd be happy to paint live for you. And then the next steps would be to have a conversation basically with me explaining the process like I am right here in this video. Or if you are ready to move forward with booking, the next step would be for me to prepare a contract for you. So I put together a live event painting contract for my clients. To officially book your date, you need to send me a copy of your signed contract. You can do that via email or mail it in the mail. The other thing I need to officially book your date is a 25% installment for your package. Once I have the signed contract and a 25% deposit, you are officially booked. I will then send you an email saying, congrats, you're booked, your date is set. No one else can have a live event painting scheduled on your date. It is all yours. And the next step after that is for me to fast forward here to a few weeks before your event date. I would then reach back out to you via email. We'll schedule a call or some type of correspondence, and then we would have a 10 to 15 minute conversation just confirming the details of your painting. So I would talk more to you about finalizing the scene for your painting. So I want to know, do you want to have your first dance painted? Do you want to have the ceremony exit, your first kiss, maybe a dip kiss? Maybe you just want to be posed. Like this couple right here, maybe there's a moment when you're with your photographers after you have your first look and you just want to have like a posed, very traditional type of painting. That's an option as well. Anything you can think of that happens on that day, that would be your painting scene. So I just need to confirm that with you. I'll also ask you questions about what's really important to you to have in the background of your painting. So those are things to think about those last couple weeks before the live wedding painting, just to give me a good idea and keep in good communication with you so I know exactly what you have in mind for your painting. And 1 week before the event, the remaining 75% balance is due. That covers the rest of your live painting package and any travel fees. So if your venue is located greater than 60 miles from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, then there probably will be an additional travel charge. I will travel anywhere in the world for you for live event painting, not just the USA, anywhere in the world, but there will be additional travel fees to help cover my lodging and travel to get to your venue. Just keep that in mind. And then on the wedding day, I show up at the time that we confirmed via our last communication. So if it's going to be your ceremony scene, sometimes I'll arrive about an hour before the ceremony, and then I'll get started with the painting about 30 minutes before the ceremony starts. So as guests are coming in to be seated for your ceremony, they see me in the back behind the last row chairs, and it kind of like piques their curiosity a bit, like, oh, look, a painter, what's this lady doing? And as the ceremony is happening, I am out of the attention range and the focus is on the couple. I will then take reference photos of the couple for the first kiss or whatever moment they want me to paint if it's from the ceremony. And then after the ceremony, I'll move my setup to cocktail hour and I can move again to reception space. So guests are welcome to come up and talk to me throughout the night. They can ask questions, they can take pictures. So we always have a good time with the guests. And I'll paint live for a total of 5 hours for the Sapphire and Ruby packages. For the Diamond package, this guy back here, 24 by 36 inch canvas, I'll paint live for 6 hours. And that's because it's a larger canvas, so I need a bit more time, and I can get a little bit more time with the guests, and it's just the top tier package, so I can provide a little bit more entertainment time with that one. So after the live painting session is done, this is what your painting looks like. There's an example down there, this one right here, and that one right there. All three of those are what your painting would look like at the end of the live painting session before I add more details. After the live painting session ends, the following day I will send the couple an email with photographs of the painting progress from the end of the live session. I'll make sure you're happy with the pose, the layout, all that stuff. If it's on the right track, that's great. I'll continue working on your painting and I'll send updates every few weeks until the painting is complete. And I add anywhere from 3 to 5 more months of detail work to your painting until it's almost photorealistic. So this guy right here is an example of the finished painting. So this one had about 3 more months of work done to it. I use the layering method. So each week I will add more detail to the painting, let that layer dry. I'll then layer up some more detail on top of that dried layer until we have this beautiful finished painting. Once the painting is complete, I'll send you a bunch of pictures of the finished painting from different angles, different close-ups. Make sure you're totally happy with it. And then once you confirm painting looks good, ready to go, then I'll install that wire hanging mount on the back of your canvas, and I add the protective varnish seal to help preserve your painting. Once that's all dry, from the time your painting's complete till the time I ship it, it's typically 8 to 10 days. I will then ship your painting to you. There's no additional charge for shipping. Shipping is complimentary for US residents. And then your painting will be shipped to you and you get to keep it forever. So some frequently asked questions I have are, do I paint deceased people? Absolutely. I usually do not add deceased people into the painting live though. I usually add those guests into the painting after the live session in my art studio. And the reason for that is that I need multiple reference photos of the deceased person. That takes a lot of time to add them into a painting compared to someone that I can just snap a quick reference photo of at the venue and add them in live. So I'm happy to add in deceased guests for you. I know that's very important. I just need to do that after the live painting. Another question is, do I add pets into your painting? I can absolutely add your pet in, especially if they're at the venue. If they're at the venue, I can get a reference photo of the pet. Say it's a dog, that's going to be the flower girl. I'll get reference photos and add them into the painting right there at the live session. If the pet is not there at the live session, then you will send me reference photos and I will work on that in the studio after the live session. I also get requests about, can I paint them as if they were outside, even though it's like downpouring rain and lightning that day and they aren't able to be outside? Absolutely, I can do that. So you would stay inside and I would get reference photos of you near a window where I have a little bit of like natural lighting on your face. So I would get pictures of the couple inside near a window and then in the pose that they choose for the painting. And then I would get pictures of that spot outside, say it's where you were planning on having your ceremony, but then the weather wasn't so nice. And I can set it up in a painting as if it happened outside, or I could just have you guys pose as if it's like a beautiful day outside. I also get requests a lot, like, can I change the foliage colors of the trees to be more full of autumn colors? Yes, I can do that too. There's a lot of things I can do in a painting that you can't get in a photo. So that's another reason that people like to book live event painters. It's something original and special. It's a one-of-a-kind piece that you help to curate along with me, and it's something that will last for generations. I hope you enjoyed this information video about live event painting. If you're considering hiring me as your live event painter, please visit my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I have my live event painting website in the link under this video. I also have it as a pop-up right here. If you're already on my website watching this video, then just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can fill out the form and see if your date is available. Congratulations on your engagement. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'm looking forward to painting live for you and your guests.